Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to use this PSD that I have downloaded from FreePix, which is not free. I am giving you guys access to it so you don't have to look for something that allows you to do all three at once. But you can certainly look and find your own. I just wanted to be able to have kind of an easier start to the semester so you weren't having to search around for things. Because the latter part of the semester you will have to start searching around for things. So we're going to start here. All right, so the first thing that you need to know is when you work with these, you're actually going to have to change these background colors. So I'm going to go ahead and change them all to black, and then we'll talk about what we're going to put here. So anywhere that we have a vivid color, we're just going to double click in our template. And we'll get rid of that yellow, so all the phones are black. Now when you go to print these, you'll notice that they have options for what colors that you can make these. So the other thing that I'm going to do is I don't like a clean white background, and I don't like the way the shadow works. So before I go forward, I'm going to go down here into this and just paste in a background. Now I am going to scale that, so I'm going to go File, down to Transform, down to Scale, and just scale it just a little bit. And I'm going to move it over. I wanted just that darker bottom that this had. And you can see that the shadow looks a little bit better. We could play with the shadow. I just don't have an interest in like making this video that complicated. So I like the gray backgrounds because, you know, if I was envisioning this on the web, which is one of the reasons why I have you guys do this, I want a simple, boring background that's going to hang well, that's going to allow my work to be seen very clearly. So I was searching around to figure out what I was going to do. And then I remembered that I had all these Star Wars drawings. And so I'm just going to copy them and paste them in. This is a background that I found on FreePix, but the drawings of the Star Wars stuff is mine. So I'm going to come in here, and to place this, these are right here. So this first one, if I double click on it, I'm going to paste, and I'm going to paste as pixels. I haven't really messed around using the other options, but we're going to just go ahead and scale him to what we're happy with. You know, and all of these could be a little bit different. And I am happy with that, so I'm going to hit return, and then I'm going to close this out, and it's going to ask me to save it. So we can see that that's in there. Now one of the things that I have discovered is you can go up to, let's make sure I'm in the right, you can do a adjust on this and make it more vivid. I tend to like the curves, so I'm going to make it kind of more dark and intense, and click OK, and then close that, and it just pops the colors up a little bit. Not sure that I like it. Yeah, I'm going to leave it alone. Anyway, that's something that you can play with. I don't want to make this a super long demo for you. So I have this TIE fighter, or this X-Wing. So I'm going to go ahead and put him in the center. So I'm going to double click on that and paste it. And so I'm going to scale that and position it where I want it. And go ahead and hit return, and we'll close. And then I'm going to do my last one, which is BB-8. So I'll select all and copy, go into Photoshop, and double click here. Now you know, if I were doing this for a project, these would look a little bit better. But I just wanted to find something that I'd done in the past that I could use really quickly that was a drawing of mine. So they were a really easy option for me. So make sure that you're really thinking about the compositions. These are really intended all right, so hopefully Pepper will stop. Anyway, these are just intended to, you know, be quick examples to give you a sense of how to work this. We're going to close this out, and we'll save. And so you see I might have changed my background if I was choosing to do something more. You know, maybe I would turn this to a slightly grayish blue, but for the project, they work really well. Now, keep in mind, I said that I posted this for you, and right here, it's a 11408. The video is going to be right above this, but you know, if you click here, you're going to be able to download that. All right, I look forward to seeing your work. Make sure that when you post it, that you are posting the PSD mockup, and also that you are posting the actual flat work as a PDF so that I can see it out of, you know, not distorted, because what this does is it distorts it. So we want to be able to see the artwork without the distortion that the mock-up is going to be the mock-up is going to be doing to your drawing. So I would have a PDF with the 3 backs, and then you should have this PSD mock-up as a PDF as well. Just 2 PDFs, not 4 PDFs. So make sure that you're combining the PDFs, which I will also link that video in your project description. Thank you.